Hello. In this video, I will show you the ins and outs of setting up a new white label map. But first, let's start with some of the features a white label map has. A white label map allows you to have your map on your own domain. You will also be able to implement your own logo, as well as some other customizations that allow you to alter the design of your map. Having a map on your own domain will also allow you to create your own terms and conditions for users to agree to. This way, you can be in full control when it comes to the rules that apply to your map. The basic white label settings will allow you to set up your logo, which will be shown here on your map. You will be able to upload a splash screen logo as well. This logo will show up when the page is being opened. Your favicon will be displayed in the web browser's URL bar, as well as on tabs and bookmarks. Over in the basic white label settings, you will also be able to attach your own terms and conditions. The override settings will give you more control on the design of your domain. You will be able to change most of the design aspects in the CSS on web field. You can change everything from colors to displaying or hiding certain features. Take a look at these maps. The custom header and footer HTML are fairly straightforward. These allow you to set up a custom header menu and a custom footer. The footer can, for example, be used to link to different social media accounts. That was it for this video. We hope it was able to clear things up. If you still have some questions regarding the white labeling, feel free to contact us.